welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the pattern for this dress. I'll begin by folding my paper in half. Next, I'll take my shoulder line, and from this line, I'm going to impute my horizontal measurements. My chest line, bust line, under bust, waist, my hip line, the length of my dress, and I'll be adding 1 inch for hemming allowance. I'll put the same measurements on the other side and connect the lines. On my shoulder line, I'll impute my shoulder measurement minus 1 inch, and I'll put the same figure on my chest line and connect the points together. I'll come down by 1 inch, and I'll take my neck width of 3 inches. I'll also take my chest measurement, and I'll find the middle point here and come in by half an inch, and I'll connect all the points together. Now, on my waistline, I'm going to take my waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch sewing allowance, and I'm going to add sewing allowance to the chest line, hip line, and the length of the dress, and I'll connect the points together. From the chest line, I'll go down by half an inch to create my new arm curve. I'm also going to be creating a bust dart, so I'll take my nipple to nipple measurement, and from that point I'll go in by 3.5 inches, and on my bust line I'll go down by 1 inch and go up by half an inch, and I'll connect all these points together. Now I'll cut out my pattern. I'll open the paper up and I'll create my one shoulder effect. I'll be using a free hand to do this. Now I'm going to create slash lines on the shoulder to get that gathered effect. Moving on, I'm just going to extend my lines. Now on my hip line, I'll come down by 3 inches. From the under bust point here, I'm going to connect it to 2 inches below the waist point here. So on the waistline here, I'll come down by 2 inches. And on the hip line here, I'll come up by 1 inch and I'll connect it to the other side. Afterwards, I'll make slash lines because I'm going to be cutting through this pattern and I'll be spreading it on a different paper. I'm going to make tiny X's so I don't get confused when it's time to cut through this pattern. I'll number my lines and I'll also create slashes on the bottom part here and I'll number them as well. After all that is done, I'll just go ahead and cut through my pattern. I'll slash through these lines. On a fresh piece of paper, I'll get my starting line first, and placing each piece one after the other, I'll leave 1.5 inches in between. And afterwards, I'll just cut this out, and this will be my new pattern. I'll be doing the same thing for the bottom piece. Please don't forget your starting line, it's very important, and I'll also be using 1.5 inches in between. Finally, you're going to place a small piece of paper underneath the shoulder and spread. Next, you're going to hold your bust dart down using a sellotape, and that is all for the pattern. So go ahead and fix all your pieces together and sew, and you're going to have yourself a gorgeous dress. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.